Good morning, folks. The 11th of January. Already 11 days into 2024. It's really scary. So it's 2 degrees, but the wind has died down a bit, so it doesn't feel quite so cold today. It's grey. I think we had a bit of rain in the night, but the good news is I don't know, because the roof isn't leaking. So we've got a really busy day today because it's my last day before I go away for 4 days. So all the stuff that needs to be done for the weekend I need to crack on with now, really. So there's one thing I didn't know if you know. If you wait till the end of the video, on every video I write a little letter at the end, going into some of the details of things that have happened that I remember when I'm editing the video. So make sure you watch till the end, and then you get to see that little letter. I don't know if everyone's seen it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, obviously, if you haven't subscribed yet. We'd love you to subscribe. If you have subscribed, and we've had a few new subscribers in the last couple of days, thank you so much, we really appreciate it. Right, so as you can see how cold it is. It is cold and I've got the heating on, so I'm going to get on with my jobs. First thing I need to do is list a bike, and then I'm going to put some tyres onto the website. If you want to know what that's about, watch yesterday's video, which goes into quite a lot of detail about the tyres and what my plans are. So I'm going to get the kettle on and we can crack on with this. So I've spent the morning doing social media and various bits and pieces, and then I cracked on with the tyres, and we're now up to here. They're all price tagged, so we're going to hopefully get the best part of a third of it done soon. Plus there's all these that are already done, but we've got quite a lot of 20-inch tyres and quite a lot of small tyres. But while I was busy doing that, we sold a turbo trainer to a really nice lady who wants it for her son, so that's all good. And then this parcel arrived from our friends at Weldtight with, I believe, some products to review and some promotional stuff. So I'm going to set you up here, and I'm going to set you up, and I'm going to get this one open. So let's get a knife. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold today. Okay, so let's have a look. Oh yes. They've sent us some rapid ceramic shield to test. Some Weldtight bike cleaner to test, some jet blast degreaser to test. What else have we got in here? And a chain cleaning machine. Plus some bike cleaner concentrate. An amazing Weldtight t-shirt, huge banner for the shop, some Weldtight coasters, how cool are they? And a couple of key rings. Well Tight, we love you. You have done us proud here. And also some product information. So when we do our reviews, we're not talking over squid. Wow, thank you Well Tight, that's amazing. We will definitely do reviews of them when I'm back from my holiday, so that is massive. That is massive. Amazing, amazing. Thank you Well Tight, we really do appreciate it. Oops. So if there's any brands out there watching and they want their products reviewed, give us a shout. We'll do our product review section. We'll be starting that when I get back from my weekend away. Yeah, we've got a couple of saddles coming soon as well. Right, I'm going to crack on. Okay guys, so back from lunch. Bit of a funny day today because I'm going away, so I've been doing stuff that you'd be bored senseless watching me film. So things like Phil have been up listing stuff on the website and social media and stuff. So I'm going to call it a day there so I can get this video out, and we will be back on Tuesday bright and fresh at 9 o'clock and with a video out at 7 o'clock on Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm now going to go and have a weekend away.